The issue is that what I'm just saying, the key message is that I think we are allowing Farouk to destroy the economy of Nigeria, and I think we should not allow him to continue sabotaging and destroy the economy of Nigeria. Like what I keep saying that, look, we have a refinery. Even if Farouk will be there for the next 100 years, we cannot close this refinery. Even at a loss, we have to continue to run the refinery. It's too big to allow. I mean, have you ever seen an airline that's losing money that will go and just shut down? They won't shut down, and they will continue struggling, praying for a better day to come. That better day will come. Okay? So, what's the key message? The key message, I think, Farouk should not be allowed to continue to destroy the economy of Nigeria. That's number one. Number 1, B, C, D, E, F. It is that he has to be charged to either CCB. No, it's CCB, I think. No, Code of Conduct Bureau. Because they have his returns, he must have filed and, register what he had, and so he needs to tell, because he's been working for government all his life. So he should tell, I know what it is. I told you earlier, I will not be able to afford sending 4 of my children to a secondary school, not university, to a secondary school to Switzerland at $5 million for the 6 years of 4 kids that he has. Okay, if you deny, as a matter of fact, if you deny, because after I know that it will be the major headline tomorrow. So when he denies it, I will publish with my name, saying that these are the schools that they attended and for. As a matter of fact, I will sue those schools to publish how much of fees he has paid for all the time that they were there, including now the other information which we don't have. He should give us the universities they went to and spent 4 years, how much he has paid. I know that one of them just finished Harvard, and tuition alone he paid $150,000.